So a lot of people don't know that changing the color of buy it now, as you can see here, really improves the sales. And a lot of studies have shown that. So as you can see, it's by default it's black, but changing the buy it now color improves the sales. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to the description of this video, and I will leave a code there. The code is going to be this. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's going to be / buy it now color, as you can see, and the end of the code is this. So make sure you copy that code from the description, and after you copy it, then follow the steps. Now you want to click on where it says home, as you can see in the top of your Shopify store here, and then you want to click on online store. After, guys, you click on online store, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on customize. You want to go back. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not customize. You need to click on these 3 little dots, as you can see, and then you want to click on edit code. So after, guys, you click on edit code, in the top left you want to select base.css. I'm sorry, you want to write here, you want to type here base.css, and this is the file. You want to click on it, and you want to scroll down. At the very bottom you need to paste the code here. As you can see, this is where you need to paste the code. Ctrl V, and this is the code. Now you want to click on save. After you click on save, here is what you need to do, guys. Next, you want to go to Shopify and see if the buy it now color has changed or not. I'm going to see it right now. So as you can see, the buy it now color has changed to blue, but that's not what you want. Probably you want another color, and you want the text to be another color. Now it's very simple. You want to go back to the same page where you pasted the code, and you can start customizing the background color, the border color. So for example, if you need a specific color, you just need to type here, for example, yellow color code, and the code is going to be this. Copy the code. As you can see, this is the code. You want to copy it, go back to the page, you can start on customizing this. And if you click on save, the background color now is going to be yellow. As you can see, it's yellow. But if you want to change the text color, then you can change it here. As you can see, you can change it to any color you want. As you can see, so you can then customize this as you want. I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.